Maritime 01, the largest Chinese integrated emergency command vessel in the artery of Yangtze River, was officially put into use after authorized by Maritime Safety Administration, MSA, of Yangtze River on Tuesday. The ship is about 65 meters long, 11.8 meters wide and 4.7 meters deep, with a design speed of 30 km per hour, according to the data from the Yangtze River MSA. Equipped with the most advanced communication network systems such as Beidou system, Beidou 3, and satellite communications, as well as photoelectric tracking systems, smart drones, smart lifebuoys, smart searching and rescuing robots, and individual equipment, the flagship is characterized with efficient coordination, multi-dimensional perception, intelligent control and long-term endurance. Implementing a 24-hour emergency response system, Maritime 01 can be put into the front line of major water emergencies, key project maintenance and key waters supervision as soon as possible. With a large tonnage and equipped with cutting-edge devices, Maritime 01 has the strongest comprehensive capabilities in China's inland waterways.